Now 7 is your widest setting.
And I like to put it through like a few times and just keep going, put it in half and then run it through again, just to get the dough all put together really good so it sticks really good. When you get to the end, it'll be a lot nicer piece. And if it gets a little sticky, you feel it getting sticky, you just pat your hand in the flour and just coat it a little bit and run it through again. And you switch your settings, you just keep going up 1. And I'll double even on 6. Then after 6, I will just keep it to 1 time through.
So you change the dial each time.
Okay, once you get to 3, it's important because you can tell your noodle is extremely long right now. It would be good to cut it in half again and then run it through the last 2 settings of 2 and 1. You'll see how it grows to a normal slice of pasta. See, now we're about a normal length and it's going to grow almost 1 more time. Now you're ready to place your other attachment on to create. We're going to create some angel hair pasta now. You attach that to things, and then you find the hole. There's 2 holes on this side. You find the one with the angel hair. Put that in there.
You'll be surprised at how fast homemade pastas cook. Once you bring your water to a boil, then you put your pasta in, and then your water will come to a boil again, and it only takes but just a few seconds after it's boiling, especially for the angel hair, and it's done. Very quick.